Jermain Douglas, coach, Central High School.
All right, Sir Douglas. Tough opponent, a tough game, 1-0 defeat. What do you take away from this game today?
Well, it was a gutsy performance on my team. I think tactically, for the most part, we stuck to the game plan. Unfortunately, we made an error in defense. We conceded. But I'm still proud of the guys.
In regards to the scoreline, do you think that it's a scoreline that that you keep it as small as possible going to the next game? You can capitalize on just a 1-0 deficit here.
But we never came here with the intention to lose. So it wasn't about reducing the scoreline. It was about getting at least a point from this game. Unfortunately, we never got that. But we move on. 6 points still available.
How disappointed are you with the strike force, because today you created quite a few chances, but you just couldn't get to put the ball in the back of the net?
That's it. We did our homework and we know that the team was susceptible in transition. We caught them a few times, but either the final pass or the final execution in front of the goal wasn't there today.
You think that's something that you're going to work on and try to fix in those areas, tighten those areas to get to face the next opponents?
Well, we're always working to fix. We review the game and we try to fix the things that we see that needs fixing. And we build on what we have there already. I think for these set of guys now, it's mostly psychological.
What do you think about the recovery? How are you guys coping with recovery? Because I know the turnover times are quite close. What's the recovery process like for you guys?
Well, it has been tough for us all season. We have been playing games every 3 days. But the team is well prepared. We did a lot of background work in the summer. And as you can see, most of the time when we make substitutions, it's not because of players being tired, it's mostly tactical.
All right, coach, and well done, and see you guys again for the next game.
Thank you.